Gus Schmidt here, and I wanted to share a trade recommendation that my Nexus Institutional EA expert advisor, it's a Forex expert advisor, recommended here. I have some videos talking about this expert advisor that I've built uh, and coded, programmed. And so what I went ahead and did is I ran an analysis on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Today is August 19th. It's about 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what I went ahead and did is I selected New Zealand dollar, US dollar here, and ran the AI analysis, institutional AI analysis on the pair, on the currency pair here. And what it generated was a narrative for me here about the current price. And so the engine recommended a buy trade here. So first of all, you have to make sure all the items in our checklist have been checked off here. We have the high time frame alignment giving us a bullish signal, the liquidity sweep, the volume on balance volume confirmation, strong positive volume delta, displacement, break of structure, checked off, and then we have the fair value gap order block retest. Okay, so it recommended a long trade here. So it gives us the entry zone and it also gives us our stop loss, take profit, target one, take profit, target two, along with the risk to reward ratio here on the take profit one target's 1.1.6. For the take profit target two, it's 1 to 2.85. So I went into my trading account here and I went ahead and took a long trade here utilizing the take profit target one and the stop loss uh, target. So here's the order, the market order here on the Awanda trading platform. And so currently I have an open position here on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Five lots. I took five lot trade here, and currently it's running in profit at about 2.9 pips. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and currently there's a strong bullish push here if you notice on the chart. So I'm going to pause the video and uh, wait for the price to hit the take profit target. It's going to go ahead and close the trade since I set my trades here, my stop loss and my take profit target. So once it hits this number, the trade will close and hopefully it'll close in the money. All right. Okay, so I'm back on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar long trade I took earlier this morning here. And I'm up about $305, but I'm gonna go ahead and close out this trade, lock in my profit. It's headed toward the end of the day here, so let me go ahead and close this trade. Okay, so I closed the trade here, so I don't have any open trades here. So okay, so I closed the trade at about 3:19 this afternoon. I think I opened the trade at around 10 o'clock this morning, if I'm correct. And being that the session, the New York session is basically over, I went ahead and took the closed the trade early. But the trade, the institutional EA here, getting back to the EA here, it did recommend a buy trade here. And let's see around what time I ran the AI analyst here. Okay, so about around 10:20 this morning, I ran the analysis on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar here. If you look to the left, recommended the buy trade. Okay, so we ended other day with a $300 gain here. All right, thank you for watching. Next is institutional EA Gus Schmidt.